Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on the Clash of Clans game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Clash of Clans game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into your home base, from which you can start your attacks. Now, if you wish to add any friends, just tap on your username at the top left section, and then tap on Social. From the Social section, you can simply tap on the Search Players button in order to search for any player that you wish to add. After you type in the player name, you will find their profile, which you can tap on, and then tap on the Add Friend button. After this player will get a friend request within their social tab, and once they tap on the Accept button, you will become friends with this user on Clash of Clans. You can also check the friend request that you have received from the same section, and you may also receive it within the Supercell ID. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends on the Clash of Clans game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.